In today's video we will see how to display a time with the help of JavaScript. And so let's get started with the video. And first of all, what I will do, I will just add a boilerplate, and for the HTML part we will just need one line of HTML. Yes, and I will just do h2 tag inside which our time will be displayed, and also I need to give it an ID so that we can target this element, okay, and display our time. So I will just give it an ID of screen, okay. And now the HTML part is over, and let's come to the JavaScript. So I will make a script tag, and inside this, first of all, before displaying the time function, let me just quickly tell you about a date function. So I will just create a date variable. This is a variable, and new dot date, that's it. And what this will give, it will give the current date. And if I just console log date, okay, and if I just go live, you will see in the console the current date and time, okay. So if I just inspect it, and in the console part, ignore these errors. If I just reload them, as you can see here, it is given there Tuesday, May 10. It just give the date and time also, okay. So now if I just instead of this console log, I will just display the date and time inside the h2 tag. So what I will do, document dot get element by ID, and I will target the screen ID, and I will do inner text, okay, and date, that's it. And now you will able to see, yes, as you can see here, the date and time is on our screen. But if you will look, the time is not increasing, okay, but we want it to increase. So the reason for that, this function is the date function is only running once, but in order to display the time after every seconds, we have to run it after every second. So for that, there is a function called set interval. So I will just copy this whole down, and I will write set interval, and inside this I will give an arrow function, okay, and inside this arrow function I will just paste them, okay. And now this here, this here you have to write after how many milliseconds you want it to run, okay. So I want it to run after 1000 milliseconds, and that is 1 second, okay. So I think now we are done. And if I just look here, as you can see here, our time is already ready. It is just moving after every second, and yes, our time is ready, and you can see the correct time here. But now the only thing left is to remove these things, okay, from here. We don't want the date and this GMT, okay. We only want this time here, this thing. So for that, there is a function in date. As you can see here, you can here see all the methods to get any element from date function. You can get hours, you can get minutes, and if you come in the bottom, you can also convert it to something, okay. So you can convert into local date string. It will just give you date, and local string, local time string. So we want local time string, okay. And I will just do this, and now if we will see, yes, we are done. As you can see here, we have displayed the time, and now it is perfect, okay. So yes, this is how you can display a time with the help of JavaScript. And as you can see here, how many steps we have just written, only 4 steps. So yes, this is that easy, and I hope you like this video. And if you do, hit the like button and subscribe And that's it for this video guys. I will see you in the next one.